Have you ever sat down at a cafe or diner, opened the menu, and suddenly didn't know what to say when it was time to order breakfast in English?
Maybe you know the words, but you're not sure how to sound natural, or you worry the server will ask a question you don't understand.
In this video, you'll practice a real breakfast conversation in clear, everyday English. You'll hear natural phrases, polite questions, and simple ways to respond with confidence. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. We'll walk through the entire situation, from sitting down to placing your order, so you feel ready to use this in real life.
All right, so imagine this. It's a quiet morning, you walk into a small cafe, and you're ready to order breakfast.
Good morning. Table for one?
Good morning. Yes, just one, please.
Right this way. You can sit here by the window.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Here's the menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Sure, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Regular or decaf?
Regular, please.
Sounds good. I'll be right back with that.
Thanks.
Here you go. One coffee. Take your time with the menu and let me know when you're ready to order.
Thanks, I'll take a look. Okay, there are a lot of options here. Breakfast menus can be tricky.
Yeah, especially when they list combinations instead of single items.
Exactly. For example, it says 2 eggs any style. That phrase can be confusing.
Good point. Let's explain that naturally.
When a menu says any style, it means you can choose how the eggs are cooked, like scrambled, fried, or sunny side up.
Right. That's a very common phrase in American breakfast places.
All right, I'm ready to order.
Great. What can I get for you?
I'll have 2 eggs scrambled with toast and hash browns.
Sure. Would you like white or wheat toast?
Wheat, please.
Got it. And how would you like your eggs cooked again?
Scrambled, please.
Perfect.
Actually, can I ask a quick question?
Of course. Go ahead.
What's the difference between hash browns and home fries?
Hash browns are usually shredded potatoes cooked flat and crispy. Home fries are cubed potatoes, often with onions or peppers.
I see. That makes sense.
Would you like to stick with hash browns, or would you prefer home fries?
I'll stick with hash browns.
No problem. Would you like anything else? Maybe bacon or sausage?
Yes, I'll add bacon, please.
Sounds good.
Oh, and can I get some orange juice as well?
Absolutely. Small or large?
Small is fine.
All right. Let me read that back to make sure I got everything right.
Sure.
2 scrambled eggs, wheat toast, hash browns, a side of bacon, and a small orange juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I'll put that order in for you.
Thank you. That was actually pretty smooth.
Yeah, and notice something important here.
What's that?
You didn't use very complicated grammar. You just used clear, polite phrases.
That's true. Saying things like, I'll have, or can I get, sounds very natural.
Exactly. Those phrases are perfect for ordering food in English.
By the way, if you didn't hear something clearly, what could you say?
You could say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you say that again, please?"
Let's include that naturally.
Here's your orange juice.
Thanks.
And your coffee refill.
Oh, sorry. Could you repeat that?
Sure, I said this is a coffee refill.
Oh, got it. Thanks.
No problem at all. Your food should be out in just a few minutes.
Sounds good.
Here we are. 2 scrambled eggs, wheat toast, hash browns, and bacon.
Everything looks great. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
This looks delicious.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
Actually, could I get some ketchup?
Of course, I'll be right back.
Thanks.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
All right, enjoy.
So let's pause here for a second.
Sure.
Notice how calm and friendly this conversation is.
Yes, most breakfast orders follow this exact pattern.
Greeting, drink order, food order, a few questions, and that's it.
And the key is listening for simple choices like toast type or how you want your eggs. All right, I'll leave the check right here. No rush.
Perfect, thank you.
You can pay whenever you're ready.
All right, here you go.
Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your morning.
You too, thanks again.
And that's it, a complete, natural breakfast order in English.
You heard how simple phrases and clear responses can make the whole experience easy and stress-free.
Try practicing this conversation out loud, or even shadowing it to improve your fluency.
If this helped you feel more confident, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
See you next time.